Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking ruined skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyes first. So we're gonna just draw in just two slants like this, and that's gonna be the top of his eye. And then from those slants, come down in the middle and then come down in the back as well. A little bit longer on the back. Alright, so just close that off, and then once you have the eye, we're gonna draw the side of the head now. So we're gonna come up right here. Just gonna draw like a little bracket like this coming down first. And now we're gonna draw in some details. So right in the middle right here, just add a little angle like this, a little peak. And then from the corners here, just kind of curve it, just dip it down and then just go back up and connect up everything. Okay, and then from there, let's just keep going up. So from this point here, just gonna continue to curve, leave a little bit of space on top. And then right at the tip, just a little angle coming down. And then for the horn, it's gonna go up. So we're just gonna draw a little spike there so that one's easy. Okay, so that's the top of the head, and let's move on to the bottom. So from the side here, just kind of flare out, come down straight. And then coming to the middle here, past these points here, just come down, make a little point. And then now we just connect this. Alright, so now we can continue on with the rest of the face. So it's a little bit strange right here, there's a lot of little details, so we're gonna simplify it. So right underneath the eye right here, just gonna draw one curve coming down like this. So on both sides, right in the middle of the eye, curve down. And then now from here, continue to curve and just go up. So curve down and then go out toward the side of the face. Alright, so there's a bit of a tricky curve going on here. And then to finish up the details, just from this point here, we're gonna start up here. Just curve it down to that point. And then we're gonna add one more. Just come down straight on each side here. And then from the point, just go up. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to his neck. So his neck is really wide, so we're just gonna continue with this line here. Just come down a little bit. And then we're gonna pinch it in all the way to the middle here. And then start here, go to the middle again. And then on the inside, let's add a little bit more detail, just add one little curve. So that's gonna be his neck. Alright, so now let's continue on with the body. So right here, we're gonna come out, just come out straight, right around here to this point here. And then it's got these little bars and spikes coming up. So we're gonna start here. Just curve it up. And once you have this point here, just curve it down and then connect to the bottom here. Okay, so this side, same thing, and it's always tricky to try to draw things symmetrical, so don't worry if one side is lopsided. So go up, and then we're gonna come back down and just connect that. Alright, and then let's move on out to the shoulders. From here, this point, go out, just slant it out nice and wide. And then we'll pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And he doesn't have a belt here, so let's just finish up the hip area. So from this corner here, just come in. And then for his hip, just kind of slant it out. And then we'll come down. And then just close it off. And then once you have that, just come back up here. Draw a little line, and now we just connect this, and that will finish up the whole hip area. So now let's add in some detail to the torso area. So right here, I'm just gonna draw one curve all the way around. From the center here, go straight down. And then from this center here, just curve it up. So it's got a lot of strange curves. And then it's got those glowing areas. So right underneath here, I'm just gonna draw another curve. So these parts are gonna be glowing. And then let's draw one more here. So these will just be like an almond shape, like very thin. So upper curve and then lower curve. And then on the body here, let's just add in from this point up here, just go down to this point. Just some extra detail. And then to finish this off right here, just slant it out. So this is gonna be where the armpit's gonna be. And then it's got one more little spike here. So we just go up, just curve it up like this, and come back in to the shoulder. Alright, nice and mean. So now let's work on his arm. So again, here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder coming down. I'm gonna curve it all the way down here, and then we're just gonna connect this. So just one shape. Okay, and then for his bicep area, come over here, just curve, and we're gonna come back up here, curve down, and then close it with a little slant. And then for his lower arm, we're gonna extend this, curve, and then on the back side here, we're gonna go up, and then we'll curve all the way down to his wrist. And we can close that off. And then for his hand, we're just gonna draw his little fist, little angle, back of the fist, turn it and just close it off. And let's just go ahead and add a little bit of detail here. Just add one curve right here to the middle. And one more little spike here. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Here's the armpit. Just do a little slant like this first. Shoulder. Curve all the way down. And then we'll connect those. Start here. Curve. And close it off with a slant. So use the other side for reference. Extend this line, and then we're going to curve down. And then again on the back side, we're going to go up. And then curve down, all the way down to the wrist. Close it, and then same thing here. Just a little hook. Back of the fist. Curve and close. And then same detail right here to the wrist, to the middle of the wrist. And then let's see another spike there. Alright, so that's the upper body, and let's draw in the legs. So the legs are a little bit easier. So we're gonna start here, down, up here, here's the hip, come down, angle, close that off. And then we can extend the knee a little bit. So extend the line a little bit and then just kind of curve it in and close everything off. So that's his knee, and let's work on the other side. So same thing here, down, just use the other side for reference. Hip, come down and then turn. Again, close it off. And then extend the line again. Just pinch it into a point. That's gonna be his knee. And then lower leg, flare out. This one's gonna curve in, and this one is almost straight down. Okay, close it off. And then just a little bit of dome shape here. So turn, and then on this side, go out a little bit more. Close it off. And same thing here, start here, flare out. This one's gonna curve. This one is pretty much straight down, I guess. close it and then turn. Dome shape going out more on this side. Same thing, just close it off. And then for the details here, just come out to the side. Just follow that little angle on the outside. And then once you have those brackets, we'll just close that off. So again, these parts are gonna be glowing. Okay, so same thing here, just follow the outside curve or line. And close it off. And then let's add a little bit of detail on the die here. So right on this point, just go up to the side. It's a little curve. And then this part's gonna be glowing, we're gonna come in. So that's gonna be glowing part. Same thing on this side. And that is it for this very cool looking character. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.